first I need to wear my gloves because safety first. Okay, what about then water? I already just check no any operation because the DC fuses are fused. Okay, and we need to check inside if user provide a reverse polarity. So we need to just remove one fuse from outside and provide a voltages. If we have no short circuit inside, we need to just replace the fuses. But this is related if upper user connect with reverse polarity, so we can just replace the fuses. Okay, first of all I need to check with multimeter. How you can check without removing the top core? This is the multimeter. Set your multimeter on continuity mode. Okay, and the fuse install for positive, and the negative is connected with MOSFET source inside. So I need to keep the positive probe on negative to connect the MOSFET source pins from here, and after that one side here we have short MOSFET inside. So we need to remove the top core and we need to replace the MOSFETs. Okay, first of all I need to remove this all fuses. The fuses are fused as you can see, but inside we have short circuit. I checked. Now remove the top core. Three screw. We have 5 screw and I remove 3 screw. I receive 3 screw. Here we have no screw. Here we have not screw. Unqualified person work inside because there disappear screws. And here we need to have 5 screws, but we have just 2. And it's mean unqualified person work before from me. That's okay. Let's remove the top core. Okay. LED panel. No any glue we have. We can remove easily. Okay. What about the LCD panel? On LCD strip we have a white color glue. So for this you need to provide hot air of 220 degrees centigrades for 20 seconds. Don't worry about this because I already set on 200 degrees centigrades. No any melting risk we have. We can just melt the glue with this hot air. Just check the method. Think approximately 20 seconds. Now little force apply and easily remove the strip without damaging. Okay. Let's troubleshoot with basics. What about this is the top position. First of all, we need to remove this solar charge controller strip. One here, no any glue we have. The one is here. And after that, wet brother person code. Okay. First remove this wire. Okay. Remove, and just now remove this 6 mm nut driver. Okay. Another 6 mm. Okay. Just hold this. Okay. Do not remove completely. If you have issue in main board, just fold like this. Okay. And keep the help of God. Now, right. G. Share. 1300. Ma devi urare tu questa croce tenere devi urare la misma tenere a ore non può c'è. Ah, ma sera che ci pleggio la tua io tenere questa. Sapevo che tu riesci a partire, bisogna lavorare meglio. Stavo ancora tenendo la sua lascia fino a che. Ma devo ora è stata riuscita perché non li ritorno a lavorare. Guarda che fa. Okay, sorry Parvet, I'm gonna remove the PCB, but first we need to remove the connectors, and we have just one way to remove with pores because no any hook right here to push and as you remove, so just one way we have to remove like this with this angled tool. Okay. Do not touch other components. And do not pull from wire. Okay, you need to attach here a tool here. Okay, this is the metal body and you can remove easily. This is the cooling fan strap. Wow, the person who give me an inverter, but caro che dalla dritta per mascherarsi di loro si fanno lavorare io ti arrivo a lavorare. Okay, sorry about sometime we have customers too. Okay, it was talk about the cooling fan. We have no any wire for cooling fan. Wow, good man, good qualified person work, and they cut the wire from cooling fan. What they don't know about this is the AI system, artificial intelligence. Read the feedback of cooling fan. I have another side a call. So they are learning from me from call, man. Hello? हाँ जी وس فلحال یاره هغه به نه وزګارو ته چیرې زده کوې نو ګوره داسې نه زده کېږي که نه چې ته ما ته بار بار ټلیفون کې دا داسې تاسو کوم ځای کې دی کوم ځای کې دی سیسټم دی ها ځای کوم ځای دی ځای کوم ځای دی ځای راته ووایه فتح پورو ها صحیح ده زه ګورم چې ما سره څه زه د بیا وروستو کال کوم ښه نمبر به در کوم صحیح ده چې دغلته نږدې کارګر ما زه ورکې زه وګورم که نه چې داسې ارجنټ دغه مه کوئ که نه نو مونږ بیا تنګ کوي بیا دا ټلیفون بیا خلک نه اوس ما ته دومره قدر له صبره کوي زه نمبر وګورم چې څوک د نږدې دی چې دا نمبر در درکړم ښه زه به در در ولېږم ښه Let's remove the PCB. They are learning up installing the inverters on grid and off grid and up again and again calling me how I can install. Is this the thing to learn just with talk? I cannot provide a data because this is illegal to guide a person who don't know about the electricity and you are guiding to connect this wire with this wire and this wire with this wire. Okay. Now I read our data without removing the top core and how we can check properly and how we can find the short MOSFETs in this parallel. We have a knowledge, but we need to learn. MOSFET, N-channel MOSFET, pin 1, gate, pin 2, drain, pin 3, source. Keep negative on pin 2, drain, positive on pin 3, source. Short, okay. Now what about the gate drive continuity? Okay, we have 18 ohm resistance, that's okay, and for this 18, I think this MOSFET is short. Okay, why? Because we have 0 ohm continuity and this continuity is coming from here. Let's suppose we have with gate pin 18 ohm, okay, 10 ohm here, and what about this 0 ohm? Then why 1 MOSFET, 2 MOSFET, 3 MOSFETs? Okay, check again. 0 ohm continuity, 17 and 17. Okay, 10 ohm is one and okay. Remove. What about the second side, B side? This is already connected in parallel. So what about gate? This gate continuity is true. Remove this one MOSFET and just check, but the number is not good for this inverter and I am charging very high. I am talking about the money, but I am repairing also good, so I need to replace all the MOSFETs because this is not the quality MOSFETs. To remove all, but for this we need to remove this capacitor first. So how you can remove capacitor easily without damaging PCB? I am also providing you a data about this. I have already a tip to melt the both pins solders together and easily remove, but I am also providing you a data. So I need to use a method because everyone have not this type of tips. Okay, right here, heat at a time with your soldering station. If you have but minimum 100 watts soldering iron or soldering station required for this operation to remove this big capacitors from PCB easily and without damaging any pads or PCB. Just little remover, okay, because we use method. Okay, now I need to provide more heat to remove this. Okay, now just check about the PCB. I damaged the PCB or not? I removed successfully. But before from me a person work on this, if the person damage, not responsible. I received this inverter first time. Okay, the print is good. Little more used to install again a capacitor easily. That's okay. Just clean the soldering plugs. With cotton swab and retarder liquid I am using. It's okay. It's done. Now remove all the MOSFETs. Separate the MOSFET first, and for this operation this type of tweezer is very good. Just check the angle. Okay, separate first. Okay, now how we can remove easily and save the MOSFETs. Zoom in. And then install 3 MOSFETs for one side and 3 for another. The one thing we can use Cat-tip to quick remove the MOSFET. Okay, I'm installing here Cat-tip. Set your soldering station on 450. Provide solder here, and here we have just 2 pads for this and easily remove. That's okay. For another, okay, provide heat at a time for these 2 pins. Easy remove. Third MOSFET. Provide heat at the time. Okay, boost time is end. I need to boost again my soldering station. Remove the extra solder with desoldering pump. Okay. Let's remove this another side mouse belts. Boost again. It's okay. Provide new solder to make a heat contact. Okay. Okay, removed. Now clean the pads from extra solder. This is the source pin. Okay. And for this we need to have C-type tip to use desoldering wick to clean the PCB properly. Okay, anti-hot desoldering wick. Already, this one is clean. Low price solder. Now I need to connect first heat contact with this to provide more solder. They use low quality solder, not melting with low temperature in the damager PCB man. Some people are just kidding with electronics devices, and finally they cannot repair. But make a difficulties for me to repair. One, two, three. Okay. One more. It's okay. Just clean the PCB first. I'm soldering plugs. You need to check the gate and source discharge resistor network, and how you can check. I'm sharing the method with you. I use a low quality soldering iron. It's okay. How we can check? First we need to dry. this pad is damaged, person damage, not because I'm using methods and knowledge, not force. Okay, first of all, we have 4 MOSFETs and 4 gate to source discharge resistors. 1, 2, 3, 4. And first of all, you need to know about what the resistance of gate to source discharge resistor. Here install 20 kilo ohm for 1 MOSFET gate to source discharge. Okay, so I have some data that I found here in my this papers, so I need to just share with you like this. Just check here. I draw little zoom out. Okay, this is bar 3. Okay, this is bar another gate drive. I draw this, and here we have a full resistor network. Just check, this is bar 5. Okay, we need to have bar 4 MOSFETs. I think this is okay. I need to set this paper. Show you. Just check. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5. Wow, man. Need to have 4 MOSFET resistor network. And I now have, I need to draw here to guide you better. No, I have not. So why not draw quickly? This is the photo paper, but gosh, shiny, but it's okay. Just check. Let's suppose here we have 4 MOSFETs and 4 resistor network. Just check. 1 MOSFET, 2 MOSFETs. I am sharing you the main formula, and you can divide par 1 MOSFET or par 2, par 3, par 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Also we have 1, 2, 3. Gate, drain, and source. Again, same. Gate, drain, source. Okay. Gate, drain, source. Okay. This is the MOSFETs. Okay. For this, I'm drawing the complete network. Okay, with gate drive resistor like this. We have 10 ohms because we need to discuss later for another. Again, for this we have 10 ohms. Okay, again for this we have 10 ohms. For this we have 10 ohms. Now this connection in the parallel connect with SG3525 for PWM. Okay. Now this source pin, all we have in parallel. Just check. So the source pin already we have in parallel. So here I need to make a connection. Okay, here. Okay. For this source, here a parallel connection connect with negative. Okay, now what about gate to source discharge resistor? Here we have a gate to source discharge resistor also for MOSFET, okay, connected with this pin, okay. And again for this we have another get to source discharge resistor of 20 kilo ohm, 20 kilo ohm, this 20 kilo ohms, okay. Again for this 20 kilo ohm, again for this 20 kilo ohm, okay. Now the connection make parallel. Now how we can check? So just check. First I need to get the tablet to divide the glove. Cannot feel the touch, so I remove the gloves to use just calculator. Just check. Let's suppose we have 20 kilo ohms and we have 4 MOSFETs. So all the connection make in parallel because just check the source pin already connected all source in parallel, and all the 20 kilo ohms is connected with this pin, and here we have just a 10 ohm resistor. So this finally this get to source discharge connected in parallel with 10 ohms. So here we have 20 kilo ohm, 20,000 ohm, okay, 20,000 ohm divide by we have 4, 1 2 3 4, so just divide on 4. We need to have 5,000 ohms or 5 kilo ohm. So let's check. This is the formula. If you have 8 MOSFETs, divide on 8. First you need to know about the gate to source discharge resistor, and after that you can divide and know about better. Okay, let's check. We need to have 5 kilo ohm resistance, and we have, okay, 45926. It's okay. Now on another side we have a same 1 2 3 4. Okay, check the network first. 4.932. So okay, the gate to source discharge resistor, okay, and the gate drive resistor is 2, okay, because if we have an open value or damage gate drive resistor, so we cannot read the true ohm, okay. Let's clean the pads first, and need to follow the full basics to repair. Man. Just cut the use soldering wax and clean the pads. It's okay. It's okay. Clean. Another method. solder particle. And we need to check the continuity of this gate drives. We can check. We have a true drive for this. The video is making very long, but we need to follow the basics. Keep the positive probe on the pin number 3 source and keep negative on pin 1 gate. And we need to have 0.66 some continuity. Okay, this is the true continuity of this section. Okay, we need to have same continuity for this A or B side. Okay, it's mean our PWM modulator is okay, SG3525. It's okay. Now what about the, oh man, just check. A person who cut the cooling second fan and provide a jumper to hack the CPU to just running in one fan. But I am not in those. I need to remove this jumper because I am not hacking. Need to provide a cooling fan. If I have, it's okay. If I have not, I need to order and install. They use just hack. They provide a feedback from another cooling fan. What the people doing, man, in this world? For what? For money. You cannot purchase the happiness with money. This is the God-gifted thing, happiness, providing you if you are on the true way. Okay? Not purchase with money to earn money with illegal methods. This is the MOSFET, pull-out MOSFET. I'm using pull-out MOSFET, just TI, Texas TI instrument. Why? Because I not found original. I ordered so many times. Here I am here. Now no more TI MOSFETs I have. CSD 19505, the world famous MOSFET, but I have just 2 pieces, and this is expensive from this new. This is expensive from this new. I'm using here fresh MOSFET, but this pull-out MOSFET is expensive from this IR MOSFET, international rectifier brand. That's okay. What about the DC to AC converting section? Check first. Man, zoom set. Okay. I think more zoom. Okay, I am telling you what I am doing. Okay, first up here we have a bridge rectifier. Sometimes we have short bridge rectifier, so keep multimeter for on the AC input pins, and for these pins we don't need to have continuity. Okay, and what about for this? This is the charging MOSFET's continuity. Okay, now check the charging MOSFET. Pin number 1 gate, 2 drain, 3 source. Keep negative on pin 2 drain. keep positive on pin 3 source. Okay, this is the internal resistance, true resistance. Now keep the negative on pin number 1 gate. You need to have 700 0.7 plus continuity if we have a true charging continuity. Okay, this charging section is okay. Now what about the DC to AC converting section? Okay, this is the DC to AC converting section. MOSFET, pin 1 gate, 2 drain, 3 source. Keep negative on pin 2 drain and positive pin 3 source. This MOSFET is okay. Okay, another. This is okay. It's okay. Another. It's okay. Another. It's okay. It's okay. Another. It's okay. It's okay. Amen. Okay. One more. Amen. That's okay. Another one last. Conformal coating. Okay. The DC to AC converting section MOSFET says all okay. I have a call from home. Just little bit. Hello? Huh? Huh? Sanchal Bokam. Ha, Sayada. Sayada. Ha. Okay, sorry for that. Now just install DC to DC boost section MOSFETs and run the inverter. Yes, I am saying that thing, man. I also repair inverters and I get output just on first try. Because this is the basics. Man working and shop. Okay, let's straight the fin first because I purchased 100 pieces and a seller not provide a safety to ship, and finally I receive with the bend fins. So now I need to set the fins first to install the MOSFETs. That's okay. Just install the MOSFETs. Yes, easy to install. And gloves. You can install with tweezer. Both methods you can use, but this is easy to install in gloves easily. Okay. It's not a hard job. I already clean all the pads perfectly and the MOSFET is new. We have no any solder on fins and we can install easily. Now they remove the screw and not attach again, and now I need to add more 2 screws. First I need to set one by one. My hands is set for this position. It's okay. Do not tie it with the cordless drill. Tie it with required force. No, mistake. Mistake, man. Okay, for this situation, I need to no show in camera. I need to just tight the screws. Okay, because when I focus on camera, I fall down the board, but the bench is clean. And sorry for hard sound. This is fortunately or unfortunately, I don't know about why. My mistake. But the reason was that I was focused on camera to view in camera, but in this situation, I need to just focus on my work because everyone can tight this. It's okay. Better with this side. Why not focusing, man? It's okay. Focus. Alright, fin I need to set. Okay, one more. But for this one, I think we need to remove this capacitor because you can check we have no space to tight the screw. We can tie it without removing the capacitor. It's okay, it's done. Just install screws. First bird screws. Okay. Or this, what about? Yes, we can. But we need to make little angle in our screwdriver. It's okay. But we cannot tie it with this big screwdriver. We need to tie it with this flat, thin screwdriver, and we can tie it. Yes, man. It's okay. No? Just tight this. Apply required force. It's okay. that's okay. Now just cut the extra fins first, not after soldering. Before the soldering you need to cut the extra pins. Okay, before. And first straight the fins, but already I need to cut the extra. Just keep 2 mm, okay, extra cut first. Now solder properly with sharp tip. Better soldering. Little more wide. It's okay. The center pin is free. Okay. Just check soldering. Okay, another side. Solder. Okay. Clean and provide voltages. A person who make a laser sand blasting machine to remove the flux and they provide a lot of plugs here, and they are removing to advertise the machine. I asked who solder this, and why you are using soldering plugs more than solder. They said we are just showing the result. Why you are using a sandblasting machine to remove the soldering plugs, man? It's okay. Zoom out and provide voltages. But first, connect the capacitor first. Okay. When you are using capacitor, you remove and you need to use. First, you need to remove the extra solder. I think I need to cut this extra soldering quick. I'm cleaning here. Okay, I remove the solders from pins. Now I need to straight and clean this with one cotton swab. Okay, install capacitor first. It's okay, hold like this and hold the solder wire here temporary. Okay, I am providing you tip. Provide some little solder, your soldering tip, and attach here to just be your hand. Now solder this pin proper and push. Okay, and after that solder this properly. Okay, and clean. This is the another method. They are now selling the machine to clean the extra plugs. Why you are using the low quality soldering wire then? You need to remove the extra plugs. Use quality solder wire and just clean with cotton swab and little 2K thinner liquid. Okay, let's provide a cooling fan feedback to install cooling fan. And to check I am able to turn on first try or not. Okay, I am here providing temporary cooling fan feedback. Okay. Now you need to provide power. Crocodile clamps, positive, negative. First decrease the power supply to not generate here a spark. Okay, I decrease. Now increase the power, but first install the switch to turn on the inverter. It's okay. Now increase required voltages. Okay, turn on. Wow, running properly, man. Because we follow the basics, and I am also turning on. I'm very happy. I am also turning on first try. Just check. then water is running properly, continuously, man. Yeah, this is the knowledge you need to learn, and just replace the component and turn on first try. Okay. So now what about the second cooling fan? Turn off. Okay. Keep your plug on side. The cooling fan I have or not, I need to check. Okay. I have. Okay, let's keep this board on the side. This is a cooling fan, and they just cut the wire to use for another cooling fan. Why? No, this world is going wrong, man. Not any immunity I found to have, but they are not successful people. I joined this advanced electronics field in 2021, and I finished all the competitors because their work like this to cut the wires and hack the microcontroller. Why? These people game I finish. Now I have full customers because they also do fraud with peoples, not work properly. The one thing is that if we have a ball bearings pen, this is the good quality pen, so I need to replace the ball bearings, and let's keep this body on side. Little discuss. Okay, first of all I need to clean this from dust. And I need to order the cooling fan. I not found in my country, and I need to order from China this type of good quality pen. But if we have here a ball bearings, okay, how we can remove? We need to remove this safety tap, and we need to provide again. If we have ball bearing, we can clean this pen. Wow, we have a chance to repair this cooling fan. We need to just remove the ball bearings, and I have a propellers and the same model, everything I have. Just little try on this, man, why not? Okay, first of all I need to clean the rust from here to remove the lock. Okay, this cooling fan is damaged with the with weather humidity. Okay, now remove the lock. For this lock you need to have a sharp and hard tweezer, because I am not mechanical engineer. I have not the lock unlocking tool for this, but I am trying. Okay, I remove the lock. What about remove the propeller, sorry. Oh, it's hard to remove. I can apply a force to remove this propeller. Okay, so the propeller and ball bearings. Here are ball bearings. Okay, I need to push. No, we cannot remove this. We need to remove this one ball bearing from this side. Oh man, why? Okay, first remove this. Wow. Okay, I need to use here some liquid. I'm trying on this to remove this ball bearing. Wow. I'm trying on this again. Wow, this has come, and now we can push here. That's okay. The ball bearings is removed. Now clean the body first. Okay. Clean it nice. Okay. This is a soft brush, okay? Not hard. It's enough to clean. We can run our propeller. Okay. I remove some dust. Okay, now what about the propeller shaft? First we need to know about. We can use this propeller or not. We can decide from this. If we have a true lock area, I think we have to just clean the propeller and install new true ball bearings. Not new. I have not new. I have true ball bearings. To remove from another short cooling fan to install here, we have a true shaft. It's okay. This is the lock, and I need to straight first. Okay, first I need to clean my bench, but before this I need to little clean this propeller. And for this I need to have first I am cleaning with this hard brush to remove the extra dust from this propeller, and after that I need to wash. and clean my bench. And this is the dust, so we can wash this with pure water. Pure water, yes, man. So I'm getting the water in. Okay, I need to learn this uh, component we are eating in this, and I cannot speak in English. I need to learn here from Google Translator. Why? What we can call this? Bartan. I'm translating. Okay. Pot. Oh yeah, man. I need to have a pot. Okay. Okay, I not found nearly the pot. So there I have a water. So I'm just cleaning this. Wash this propeller. Okay, gloves. Flash message. What flash message, man? Okay, keep here. I'm coming in just 1 minute because I not found a pot to keep here water and wash. The pot store is not nearly. You need to have 10 or 15 minutes to purchase. So I'm just cleaning this. Nearly we have water to clean this, and I'm coming back. Okay, welcome back. I just washed uh, propeller with water, with flowing water. Okay, now first I need to dry this with cloth. Okay. Okay. First of all, I need to dry my gloves. The water. Why not dry little with hot air, man? It's okay. Dry. Now, first I need to dry this to clean now with 2K thinner more. I'm just trying on this because I have a cooling fan but not good like this. So if we repair this used cooling fan is better than from new. I need to order. We have a Facebook group and I already so many time I add a post I need to this cooling fan but I not found in my country. Here we have little water to dry. Install nozzle to target the area. Okay, dry. Now let's clean the bench first. Sensitive. Let's brush. Screwdriver. Okay, this is the model number. Oh, already meeting right. It's okay. What about the propeller? Good. Try this. Just check. Magnet is completely clean. For true balance, you need to clean this. But what is this? I clean this with water and I use brush, hard brush. But what is this? The water, little dust particles stuck here, and I wash with water, and now I am using retarder, but with retarder we cannot remove. Now I need to do operation for all because we need to have same balance, no vibrate, no noises. It's okay. It's done. Okay. Quite ball bearings now, but first I need to clean this area for ball bearings. Stem. Again stand. Okay, clean. Now for this metal, iron core, it's okay. Just install ball bearing. Here I think I have a good quality cooling fan. I think the circuit is short. Why I mark a cross mark on this cooling fan to remove the ball bearings for this. Okay, I'm checking. This fan is running but consuming 1.26 amps and 12 volts, mean 18 watts. Okay, what about the ball bearings? Keep the things not throwing scrap directly. Okay, just check. Wow, very good quality lock. Okay, just remove this lock first. Okay. Lock and remove the propeller. Do not touch the ball bearings. And then you push here and here. It's okay. What about the ball bearing? Not the same dimension of ball bearing, I think. But just check. And then okay. What about? No, this size is not enough. This, keep this here, here again for next. small cooling fan. Ball bearing. And what about? Okay. Here I have another good quality fan. We have a same ball bearings. This is my cooling fan. What about? I'm not using this without feedback cooling fan. Wow, inside. Wow, I never see this type of cooling fan. What about the lock? What about the ball bearings, man? Wow. This is the 24 volt. Oh, beautiful lock. Beautiful lock. Just check the lock. Wow, man. We have multiple type of minds in this world. Engineering, good engineering. Able to give a prize to this person who designed this cooling fan and this lock. Removing, but not removing. Okay, wow. Just check the quality. Okay, here we have a same ball bearing. Remove this carefully, carefully. Oh, no. It's okay. One ball bearing or another. Use this thing. It's okay. Install this ball bearings in this. It's okay. Lock. जी وزګار خو زه څه ووایم چې د قبر پورې وزګار شمه نو اورې رای وړئ زه بس څه چل به کوم رای وړئ اوس خو دا ټایم مشکل دی اوس خو ما د کسانو سره لوس کړلی دی د هسپتال یو پی ایس دی هم د خوازه خیلی نه دا کم یو دی چې زما د مرمت قابل نه و که نه نه بعضې زما سره سودا نه وي که نه زما تاسو یې راوړئ زه به وګورم چې څه صورتحال دی ښه हाँ जी सही है जी सही سراي وريخة سراي وريخة check. Okay, now I'm providing voltages to check. Provide voltages. Yeah. G? Just check. Right, man. Oh, we can use. Yes, yes. Okay, now keep this bar. Next, tools. Can learn here. Ball bearings. 50 hertz for next time. What about the lock? Keep this lock. Already locked. It's okay. Now what about the strap? A man who keeps strap for herself, only need to provide a strap. I am also cutting from cheapest pen and providing a good quality pen, but in small size, not in this size. And I need to order, but first I need to provide here a shrink tube. Okay, what size we requirement? This size of shrink tube is required, and we have enough wire or not. I need to hold this wire. Yes, we have enough wire. This is our required length. Now how we can through these wires and this shrink tube. دا خو زما د ارور کې اعلان دی زما د ارور دی او نه دا چارجر دی دا ما ارور نه وی جوړی دی ټیکول شي او د اعلان د ما ارور لاندې کې اعلان ساجد لیور کوي زه پوهېږم نو دا بینچ دا چې دی کنه دا زما د ارور د لاس او دا جوړی هغه ښه okay. Set this, remove the nozzle, set on 400. It's okay. Perfect wire. We need to join this. Possible here? Not possible. You need to join. We need to provide here safety. We can provide everything. Okay. Wear a glove. about shrink tube? 1.5 mm shrink tube. Okay, we have old sleeve. How we can join perfectly. Okay, the black, it is the easy to remove, to make join with some distance like this. Here I need to make this red join here. It's okay. Little. Another method. If you are applying force, we can remove the wire completely. So what about this method? Or provide a hot air little. It's okay. And now what about not working? More hot air. Now check with cutter. No. Okay. Finally I found conductor. Slow. Yeah, it's the 1.5 shrinking tube. 1.5 mm shrinking tube. I need to have now right here. But if I not found, I can install a old type sleeve like this. So what about the diameter of this sleeve? You cannot use. Okay, this is the 2 mm. Not good, but I'm thinking about why not make a perfect solution for this without shrinking tube, because I have no 1.5 shrinking tube and 2 mm. So here we can seal this with glue. A person who cut the wires, but think about man. Okay, one joint is here and another. Let's set this first like company design, but after this we can install glue. Yes, we can install glue here. Okay, lock this wire. What about the next yellow? Cut here and provide hot air first. Now easily move, and I found a conductor. Okay, about the length, we set here first. Wow, perfect. But we need to set in this direction first. Little solder point here. for this wire. Okay. What about black? Black we can solder here. Okay. We need to cut from black. Cut. Okay. White solder. Okay. Here. Okay. Now just set the wire. Okay. What about if we set here the surface area we need to have? Okay, we need to focus. We need to lock black first for this side. The yellow first. Okay, and after yellow the black is required. Okay, set here yellow, remove this red, yellow, lock, it's okay, and after yellow black. Okay, and black, red, why red is not sitting here? No man, this wire I think is thick. Okay, remove this black and set this red first here. Okay, and the middle black. Okay, now set. Okay, on same sequence. Okay, now what about this? What about this illegal work? Ha 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 ha. You can seal with glue. Magic epoxy steel. Magic epoxy steel. Yes, man. We need to make this like steel. Okay, glue, mixing. Little zoom out. Okay, enough. Little hot air because the weather is very cold. To mix easily. Okay, mix first. Throw it here. First. Here we have screw. now right here and sit down. sit, sit down what I am speaking at. Okay, first set the wire again. This black, it's okay. Little, okay. For little time we need to set this here. Just dry glue. Okay, because the glue is drying, we need to provide here again. Provide it again. Later, and this strip. Remove the extra glue from here. Cut and slide. Okay. Just right. Later we need to wait for glue. Oh man. Finally I repaired the cooling fan. Wow. Okay, little bit required for this process to try the glue. وعليكم السلام. نه ده شیخ ها نه ما چې تاسو ته کار کوم دا دومره زر نه کېږي که نه دا ډېر ګران کاري اوس د دې نه دی شی زه به تاسو ته کار وکړم ښه ته به زه کار وکړم ښه زه لا یم د 10 بجو پورې یم ښه Okay. Now think about to provide here a safety for dust. Okay, we have just one way to provide. On the side we have cementing lotion. This type of cementing lotion we have. Cementing bond, I think. Yes, cementing bond. Right here, one layer. Little provide for this, and mix this. Provide for both materials. Okay. Now provide with cotton swab. No man, come here. Okay, and little wait for it. Zoom in. Okay, what about the paper tape? Cut this. think I do mistake. Okay. Hot tip. Oh. Why not use the transparent plastic sheet here? Yes, this thing is good for this. Just see the area, to not go the dust there. And the man again can know about what the situation of ball bearings. One side we have transparent view, and another side we have safety for dust. Okay, just check. Little extra. To check like baby and NICU. What the condition of the baby in NICU? Okay, what about? Okay, just back this operation successfully. Remove the extra. Oh. And this glue required a lot of time because the weather is here very cold. The glue is not working, like super glue is not working, so we need to 100 degrees centigrade hard air. Okay, no part force to make this work beautiful. It's okay. Now we need to check and then water finally. Okay, clean the bench in just 30 seconds. Okay, just in 30 seconds. Magic deposit. Still, I cannot clean in 30 seconds. It's hard. It's hard. The magic deposit still is finished. And keep this here. Scissor, like a screw, nozzle, epoxy, cordless, thread, nib, close. Another tip I have: if you are closing, here install hot glue, approximately 1.5 centimeter, and you can attach here with very high protection. I use also the knife because when I purchase this, so when I close, I damage my skin. So after that, I design a safety core for this. And now just check, this is the distance, 1.5 centimeter. Okay. Now just install this cooling fan to inverter. Okay, and remove these wires from here to give freedom. Freedom. I know one more time. Where is my freedom? Okay, man. Zoom out first. Zoom out. Yes. And install the cooling fan. Same direction. Okay. And we need to install the strap. Okay. And then install just 2 screws. I am responsible. Yes, you are responsible because this is your duty, man. And I am a little boy. I am not a man. But what we can, man. Other side, our English is not strong. We need to speak our heart. Our heart talk, but we cannot speak with the mouth because we are not an English speaker. We are speaking little English with very a lot of difficulties. On first month, the people are log. Oh man, just check the English. But I don't care. I just focus on my goal. And finally, I found 1,900 subscribers in 4 months with my efforts and with my this broken English. And we can learn from our brothers. I learned so many things from my English speakers brothers. Okay, wow, cool, just check. That's okay. Now, just assemble the board to check. The board is already assembled, but I need to just keep the board here, okay, and just check the cooling fan. Boy, make short circuit. Okay, provide. Elaka. Sorry for loud speaking, but my elder brother's son are short the circuit to check the electrical device to sell. But they cannot check again and again. The breaker is here. I install breaker because they are not mature. They can burn the electrical shop. So I install here a circuit breaker and my authority. Now they tripped 2 times and I am not providing again the electricity. I am in the grid here. Okay, I need to search 2 more screws in this because I use 2 screws per MOSFET because the person disappear the screws are used on another inverter. I have screws in this, but I need to find. Just check the cooling fan. After that, I have a lot of screws in this, but I need to find. Okay, just provide cooling fan strips to check the cooling fan speed and noises and everything, and after that I can install. Okay, just provide DC power to operate the inverter first. Okay, decrease the power supply. Okay. Turn off first. Okay, provide voltages first. That's okay. Now turn on. Okay, wait for pens. Wow, wow, beautiful, man. I'm just check, no any noises we have. I repair this cooling fan, okay, and I keep the cell phone, okay, and this is another cooling fan. wow. And the speed up and down, we have issue in this type of inverters also. Yesterday I replaced a microcontroller, and this is the flaw. And another flaw I found in this inverter, the bulk and the bulk. Just talk about. First, we need to have the bulk charging voltages, and after the bulk charging voltages, we need to have the fluid charging voltages. First, bulk. I can show you in this live stream. Bulk is set like 28, 28.4, okay, and fluid charging and 27.0. They are providing first the flute and after the bulk. And I can show you, I have a proof. I can show we have a flaw in this inverter. And I found, and I talk about this our country main distributor repairing center, Karachi, and they just received a video proof from me, and they sent to China R&D, and I not received any response or any prize or any promotion, and they just received video. They said send the video to us, and I sent, and after that they say we sent your video to R&D, but I not mention in this flaw. So why not change that? We are working just for ourselves. We are not doing job. This is our bench, and here I am doing my duty, my stops. What is my stuff? My stuff, like making portable speakers and reverse engineering. Okay, I repair the cooling fan, and live stream I replace the ball bearings, and everything is perfect. And see you next time with next repairing. What is the next repairing? The next repairing is that T solar. Okay, already I keep here screws. This is my rules, and with zip tie, because I need to install again a zip tie here. This is the complete screws and things of this inverter. And after this live stream, I need to do little rest and little enjoy instrumental music, and after that I need to come live again to repair this in live stream. Yes, and see you next time. Take care.